Hello everyone. I want to thank No Rule Kitchen for giving me this platform to share with you all one of my favorite recipes, a favorite dessert which is a non-bake and it's for all the chocolate lovers. ये बहुत ही easy recipe है जो आप आराम से घर पे try कर सकते हैं and this is one of the famous and most popular Christmas treat, which is like truffle balls, and this is called rum balls. I know it sounds very delicious and it has the flavor and the aura of rum in it. So it will be full of chocolate. It will be full of the raisins enriched with rum and I could not wait to share this recipe with you all. So let's start, and I hope you love this recipe and you try it at your homes. And please, अगर आपको ये recipe पसंद आए तो do like, comment and share and ring the bell. तो चलिए हम शुरू करते हैं rum balls बनाना. Rum balls के लिए we need simply these 4 ingredients. This is the 4 cups of cake that I have crumbled into pieces, and I have taken half cup of milk maid. Then I have chopped the half cup of raisins into small pieces. If one raisin I have done 3 pieces. And this is the main ingredient of the rum ball, that is the dark rum. And this is half cup of rum. Let's start with the first step of making the rum ball. I have इसमें हमारे पास raisins थे, वो raisins मैंने इस bowl में mix किए हैं in 4 spoons of rum. So you can see I have mixed the raisins in the rum, and now what I'm going to do is I'll lit the gas and हमें इस gas में slow flame पे you can take a pan even to mix this rum with the raisins. The basic aim of mixing the rum with the raisin is कि जो हमारे rum का flavor होता है वो इन raisins में भी आ जाए. And believe me, जब हम इन raisins को अपने rum balls में mix करते हैं तो actually में they taste like they have a flavor of rum in it. तो what we are going to do is कि we'll put this on the flame and इसको हमें तब तक mix करना है जब तक हमारा ये mixture जो हमारा rum और raisin का mix है ये simmer ना कर जाए. इसको हमें slow flame पे चलाते रहना है ताकि ये burn ना हो liquid इसका, and we have to simmer it till the bubbles start coming in it. It takes few seconds to get it simmered. Mine has started simmering. So now I am turning off the flame and I am keeping it aside. Next, what we have to do is कि meanwhile 5 minutes इसको let us keep this aside for 5 minutes so that हमारा जो raisin and rum का flavor है वो अच्छे से soak कर ले raisin. तो तब तक हम चलिए बाकी अपने process की तरफ बढ़ते हैं. This is a bowl in which now I am mixing this cake crumb. You can make or you can bake a cake at home. Chocolate cake बहुत easy होता है बनाना. आप वो बना भी सकते हैं or you can purchase cake from outside and you can crumb it into this mix. It totally depends on you. And इसी में I am going to mix the milk maid that I have taken. However, अगर हम बच्चों के लिए बनाएंगे तो definitely we'll have to exclude this rum part, which we are going to put in our rum ball mix. And now we have to mix it gently. So you can see, this mixture has turned so gooey and chocolatey, and what an aroma is coming of rum from it. I can't wait to eat it. And now raisins have been there soaked in the rum for 5 minutes, and I'm adding it. Again mix it gently and properly so that the raisins are evenly distributed in your mix. and when you make the balls out of it, so each and every ball has the raisin in it. Okay, so you can see, this mix. Now what we'll do is, we'll make small golf size balls out of it, and then we'll have to refrigerate them. Okay, I have taken my baking tray. This is a non-bake item, so don't worry. This is simply a baking tray which I have lined with the baking paper, and I'll be putting my rum balls on it. After making the rum balls, I'll be refrigerating it. तो ये देखिए 15 मिनट बाद हमारे रम बॉल्स कैसे सेट हो चुके हैं। अब आगे इनको चॉकलेट में डिप करने के लिए व्हाट वी हैव टू डू इज, यहाँ पर मैंने एक यूटेंसिल में आई हैव poured वाटर, द वाटर इज गेटिंग हॉट एंड इस वाटर के ऊपर मैंने एक डबल बॉयलर बना लिया है जिसमें मैं अपनी चॉकलेट को मेल्ट करूँगी। दिस इज my pieces of dark chocolate that I have taken. This is Amul dark chocolate. You can take any dark chocolate that you want, and as soon as you get the heat, you start putting your chocolate pieces in it. So now I am melting my chocolate in the double boiler. You can see how this chocolate is melting. This is our melted chocolate, you can see. I am putting my chocolate around this. Quickly what we have to do is, हम जो दो fork लेंगे, and using the two forks, we'll mix these balls, in these chocolate, so that they get cooler, easily, mixed up. Covered in the chocolate. Set them aside. This is the chocolate dipped rum balls, and you need to again freeze them. एक बार refrigerator में, not freeze them, keep it in the refrigerator and let it cool down, and then I'll tell you how you can decorate them. Okay. So this is the rum balls that now I have taken out from the fridge, and इनकी जो chocolate coating हमने की थी वो अब इसमें set हो चुकी है। तो now for garnishing what you can do is कि इधर हम sprinklers यूज़ कर सकते हैं, और यहाँ पर मैंने white chocolate को melt किया and I poured it in the cone, and I'll be decorating it using the white chocolate. So this is how you can decorate. This is one of my favorite ways of decorating the chocolate pieces. Rum balls are ready. Tan-ta-na!